Today I'm going to talk to you about central tendencies. This presentation is presented by Stephanie Knight and narrated by her brother DeWitt Knight. Central tendencies. In statistics, a central tendency or measure of central tendency is a central or typical value for a probability distribution. It may also be called a center or location of the distribution. The most common measures of central tendency are the arithmetic mean, the median, and mode. First, I'm going to talk to you about the mean. The mean is the average. Arithmetic mean is calculated by taking a number of values and adding those values together to get the sum. Then one would divide the sum of the added numbers by the number of values in the total. For example, if there were the numbers 100, 200, 350, 500, and 5, one would add up the numbers and get 1,155 and divide that by the total of numbers, which is 5, to get an average of 231. Mean is influenced by all data, meaning outliers can affect the average drastically. As you can see from the previous example, the average was 231. If the 5 was removed from our last data set, it changes from an average of 231 to an average of 287.5. Second, I'm going to talk to you about the median, or the middle. The median is the value separating the higher half of the data sample, a population or a probability distribution, from the lower half. For a data set, it may be thought of as the middle value. To find it, one would put a set of values in numerical order and find which point lands in the middle of all the values. For example, 7, 19, 25, 100, 6, 14, 21, 700, 332 would be put in numerical order, and the middle number, or the median, would be 21. There's 4 numbers on the left, 4 numbers on the right. It is easiest to get the middle number or the median when there is an odd number of values. But if there is an even number, you can add both numbers in the middle and divide by 2. For example, 2, 5, 7, 9, you would add 5 and 7 together and divide by 2, giving you a median of 6. Mode is the most. As you can see in this photo, the black jackets would be the mode of this picture. The mode means the number which appears most often in a set of numbers. There may be 2 modes, or there might not even be a mode, depending on the values in the set. In the example 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, the mode is 10. In the example 7, 13, 24, 56, there is no mode. In the data set 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, the mode is 4, as well as 9. This can all be found in TEKS 6.12c, Measurement and Data. The student applies mathematical process standards to use numerical and graphical representations to analyze problems. The student is expected to summarize numeric data with numerical summaries. including the mean and median, measures of center, and mode. The central tendencies are used in many grades. It is even being used in my mother's classroom this week, as she is teaching the TEK mentioned below at Carpenter Elementary, 5th grade.